In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-select pick list in Salesforce in just 5 minutes. This is a handy feature that provides a flexible way for users to select multiple options from a predefined list. Whether you're managing products, categories, or any type of data, a multi-select pick list can make your life much easier by organizing your information effectively. So, let's dive right in and see how it's done. First, you'll want to navigate to Salesforce. Make sure you have your login credentials ready and access to modify fields, as these are necessary for completing this task. Once you're logged in, you'll need to head to the Setup area. Setup is where you'll find all the tools you need to configure and customize Salesforce to suit your organization's needs. From Setup, look for the Object Manager tab. The Object Manager houses all the objects within your Salesforce organization. Think of it as the control center, where you can define and configure the structure of your data. Go ahead and select the object where you want to add the multi-select pick list. This could be any standard object like accounts or contacts, or even a custom object that is specific to your organization. By selecting the right object, you're telling Salesforce where exactly to apply this new field. Next, navigate to Fields and Relationships. This is the section where all existing fields for the chosen object are displayed and where new fields can be added. Once you're in this section, locate and click the New button. This action begins the process of creating a new field, and you'll be presented with a list of field types. Now, you'll want to select Pick List, Multi-Select. This specifies that the field you're creating should allow multiple selections. Confirm your choice by clicking Next. The next step involves defining the field details. Here, you'll need to give your field a label and a name. The label is what users will see on the interface, while the name is the internal reference for that field. Additionally, you can specify the values that users can select from. It's important to be precise with these values as they dictate the options available to users. Once the field details are set, you'll move on to configuring field-level security and layout options. This step is crucial as it determines who can see or edit the field and how it will appear on the page layout. Make sure you review these settings carefully to align with your organization's privacy and accessibility policies. Finally, once everything is configured to your satisfaction, click Save to finalize the process. And there you have it, a brand new multi-select pick list ready to use in your Salesforce instance. Creating a multi-select pick list is a straightforward yet powerful way to enhance data entry for users. By following these steps, you can quickly add this capability to any object in Salesforce, helping streamline operations and improve data management. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.